So thank you very much, Mr. President, Madam First Lady, and all of you for thanking the people of Mexico for their gracious welcome. I should just add she has been extraordinarily gracious to both me and Michelle during our transition here, and I'm thankful for that.
Thank you very much for the gracious hospitality offered to me and for the very extensive exchange of views that we were having.
We've very gracious. We appreciate it very much.
And in each and every country, during each and every visit, I have been moved by the warmth and gracious hospitality that our host and the citizens of the countries that we visited have extended to the President and to me. It means
John, for the gracious introduction to my...
As always, you have been gracious and kind and very hospitable.
Your Excellency, President Barack Obama, distinguished representatives of the media, I am delighted to welcome President Obama and his gracious wife on their first visit to our country.
Thank you, President Yudhoyono, for your kind words, your gracious welcome, and for your friendship and your partnership.
Thank you, President Lee, for your gracious welcome and for what you've done to express how much our alliance has meant to you and the people of this nation.
Thank you very much, Tom, for the gracious introduction.
President, first I want to thank you and the First Lady for the gracious hospitality that you've shown me, my wife, and our entire delegation.
Well, again, Ms. Obama, thank you for serving as you have done last year, as you did last year, as our honorary patron of this wonderful event and gracious host for this gathering today.
Our do-gooder-in-chief, Bill Clinton, thank you for not only the gracious introduction, but the extraordinary work that he has been doing each and every day. You are tireless, and very nice people. They are gracious and they are kind, and even the folks who don't vote for me are nice. People are just gracious and kind. Even the
Well, you see, Barack Obama.
And thank you to the people of Korea for your gracious welcome.